Okay, where is it? Okay. Let's go with zombie though. Let's get it starting. So, yeah, I'm back. Oh, yeah, we're back. Okay, I'm AFK. Oh, we're back. Okay, welcome back. Dude, is there anyone? No, there isn't anyone. Hello? Dude! Dude, there's nobody exists. Okay, so this is my skin. Aha! So there's barely but any servers. Oh, so someone just said Chinese. Town TFRT. Oh, my new piece. Town TF. Oh, that's 3 mode. Okay, I'm joining. You're in the video. Okay, let's find this. Oh, everybody. Hello. You're in my video. You're in my video. Hello, you're in my video. Okay. Tadalo. Okay. Bro, just join now. Wait, no. Wait, there's no player, no data. Oh, that's Jose. No. Wow. Somebody just do bro. Wow. Dude. Wait, there's a secret thing. I think there's a secret thing out here. I know where this shit is. Jose, what does Jose even do? What did Jose even do? I know who Jose is. This guy is one of the Dude, am I go bro. Let me bring my expensive Grande horse. I forgot. What did you broset, he has a friend. Well, you cannot fit. Oh yeah, you can fit. I swear that, oh wait, there isn't any of them. Yeah, I swear that there was a car exist. Anybody? Okay. Everyone, you're in my video. Okay. Nobody just even responds. Now who was sniping me? Look With the small enemies, baby. Who the frick is sniping me? I have a clutch. Oh, Joseph. It's Joseph. Oh, I get it now. Why? Joseph is knowing though. I swear that this thing did not sound like I have a sniper, man, you idiot. This is my sniping location. No, getting the what? Oh shit, Mario! 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 Yes, they could possibly snipe me. So instead, I'm going to use a long. Oh, that guy just could snipe me, huh? Okay, then you know what? I can snipe everybody. Oh yeah, this is actually an actual hack. Oh, it does not work. Wow. Respawn. Wait, is it recording? Oh yeah, it's recording. Okay. My game just freeze for a second. Anybody here? And there's 3 here. Who is sniping me? Oh, this guy's sniping me. Oh, I could just snipe him. Oh, I know what this guy's doing. Get in the safe spot. I actually know what this guy is doing. There is not anybody here. It's like 12. There's nobody. Is there anybody? Dude, I could just use. How? Help us tonight. Oh shit. Oh, this is a war zone. Oh, she has a. I did not use that mechanism, but I actually shot it. My zebra horn. What are you doing, my zebra horn? Dude. Raw. Well, now she's only on the server. Okay, instead of just. I'm not this kind though. Oh, she has no mercy. Okay. I'm leaving though.